Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. And if it is the first time for reaching to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. So we have given question 4 power x plus 7 power 2x plus 7 power 3x, which is equal to 14. Solution. And here we have to copy what we have. We have 7 power x plus 7 power 2x plus 7 power 3x, which equals to 14. And here we can simply write this as 7 power x plus 7 power x here squared plus 7 power x then power 3, which equals to 14. Then at this stage we can write t to be equal to 7 power x, so that we shall say we have t plus t squared plus t power 3, which equals to 14. By rearranging, we shall say t power 3 plus t squared plus t, which equals to 14. Okay, and here t power 3 plus t squared plus t minus 14 is equals to 0. And you have to find number at this stage by writing t power 3 plus t squared plus t minus this 14 can be written as 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, I have to change these numbers into base 2. Okay, and here we shall say t power 3 plus t squared plus t minus 2 power 3 plus 2 squared plus 2 power 1 is equals to 0. Then t power 3 plus t squared plus t power 1 minus 2 power 3 minus 2 squared minus 2 power 1 will be 0. So we shall group like terms to get right here t power 3 minus 2 power 3 plus t squared minus 2 squared plus t minus 2 will be 0. Okay, and then at this stage this one only can be written as t minus 2 times t squared plus 4 plus 2t, and this is the difference of two squares where we have t minus 2 times t plus 2 and plus this one t minus 2, which equals to 0. Okay, at this stage we have t minus 2, t minus 2, t minus 2. We can factorize to get t minus 2. Okay, and here open bracket of t squared plus 4 plus 2t, then here we shall say plus t plus 2, and here we shall say plus 1 because this one has been gone down here, equals to 0. And of course t minus 2 times open bracket of t squared, you have 2t plus t plus 3t, and you have 4 plus 3 plus 7 b equals to 0. So we have t minus 2 equals to 0, or t squared plus 3t plus 7 is equals to a 0. At this stage, t equals to 2, or for this quadratic equation, this is t1, okay, where t2 and 3 will be, here we have to find negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then here t2 and 3 will be, we have a which is equal to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 7. Negative b will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared will be equal to a 9. Okay, we have 9, then minus 4 times 1 times 7 over 2. And t2 and 3 will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of, here 9 minus 20, 8 over 2. So that here t2 and 3 will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 19 over 2. So t2 and 3 will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of 19i over 2. This is t2 and 3. These are values of t, t1, t2, and t3. And we know that here t is equals to 7 power x. Then 2 will be 7 power x. By applying logarithm on both sides, we shall say logarithm of 2 will be logarithm of 7 power x, to mean that logarithm of 2 is equal to x logarithm of 7 by logarithm of 7 by logarithm of 7, then x will be logarithm of 2 to the base 7. Okay, and we have to check if our answer is correct. Okay, we have given 7 power x, then plus 7 power 2x plus 7 power 3x equals to 14. Now here we have 7 power logarithm of 2 to the base 7, then plus 7 power 2 times log of 2 to the base 7 plus 7 power 3 log 2 to the base 7 equals to 14 question mark. So here I have same base, we have 7 and 7, so that this is equal to a 2 plus, here we have same base, but this one we have to go up here to get 2 power 2 plus, then 2 power 3 we have right here, which is equal to 14. And we have 4, 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 14 question mark. So this is 6 plus 8, 14 equals to 14. Then left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that our value of x is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.